Foshan Jinting Communication Technology Company Limited was founded in 2020. It is a professional OEM/ODM manufacturer in range, grill, rice cooker and frying cooker, dust mite controller, and scrubber. Over the past 4 years, thanks to the continuous support and unswerving trust of our customers, BSTY has achieved the significant growth in the overseas market for years. Our factory covers an area of 18,800 square meters with the well-equipped production lines and testing facilities. For serving better our excellent overseas customers, we have established the partnerships with many world-leading suppliers of key components, such as China Midea, ZTE, France Eurocura, Germany Eco, Germany Infineon, Italy Sabaf, and Spain Orkly, which guarantee our products can be in line with the international high-end standards on design, durability, energy efficiency, performance, safety, and service. Furthermore, under the strict implement of ISO 9001 and with approvals of CB, 3C, CE, ETL, ERP, REACH, ROS, SASO, UKCA, our products have exported to 60 countries and regions all over the world. In the meantime, our precise customized products are popular and suitable among the different consumer groups. The Chinese meaning of BSTY carries the yearning of people of China and the world for a better life harmony and happiness. We assure you that we will continue to work toward this goal and strive to bring quality products and beauty of life to the millions of families home and abroad.